Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to join a person that is not your friend on Roblox using your desktop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and choose any game that you want. I'm just gonna click this. Okay, so as of now, you cannot join a specific person that is not your friend on Roblox. Okay? So the next thing that you can do is to click here on servers, and here at the bottom part you can see other server section. So now you want to click on exclude full servers so that you can see the servers that is not yet full. Okay, so now if you want to join any specific server here, you can just go ahead and click on join. Okay, so if you want to join a private server or create private server, you can just click this and you need to pay 10 Robux. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you again that as of now, you cannot join a person or a specific person that is not your friend on Roblox. So that's it. That is how you join a person that is not your friend on Roblox. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.